Okay, I am on the creeper again, underneath the pewter palace, and this is the pipe coming out of the black tank, and I'm just going to take a video here so Kevin has it for reference. And following it out to the bay. And you can see how that is going out to the bay. And that's about as good as I'm gonna get there, Kevin. So that's what it is. Of course, we got all sorts of wires and stuff. Some of this won't be used anymore because it was part of the heating pad system. We're not gonna use. Because we're going to be chasing 70 degrees, right, Kev?
That's right.
We're not going to need that. And that's maybe what caused some of our issue when we inadvertently, by mistake, put the fuses in there. Okay, I think that should do it for you, Kev.